In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set working hours on Google Calendar. Setting working hours helps coworkers and clients understand when you are generally available, so meeting requests land in times that work for you. It's a small setup that can make scheduling smoother and more respectful of your time. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. The working hours feature is easiest to configure on a computer, and the gear icon will use appears in the web interface. Make sure you are in the correct account if you use more than one calendar. In the top right, click the gear icon to open settings. On the left side, under the General section, choose Working Hours. This takes you to the place where you control your weekly schedule. Turn the feature on by checking Enable Working Hours. Once it's enabled, you'll see options to pick the days you work and the times for each day. Select the days that apply to you by checking their boxes. For each chosen day, set your start and end time to reflect your typical schedule. If your day isn't one continuous block, you can add more than one time slot for the same day. For example, if you work a morning block, take a midday break and come back in the afternoon, add another slot and set its start and end times. This is especially helpful for split shifts, late starts on certain days, or a recurring lunch break you want to protect. Keep in mind, your working hours follow your calendar's time zone. If you collaborate across regions or travel frequently, it's good to be aware of this so your availability lines up as expected. As you adjust the days and times, Google Calendar will use these settings to guide others when they try to book time with you. People scheduling outside your listed hours will see a warning that the meeting falls outside your working time. This doesn't automatically decline events. It simply signals your preferred availability so everyone can plan better. Review your selections to make sure they match your routine. If most days are similar, set one day and mirror that pattern across the rest, then fine-tune exceptions as needed. Here is no save button here. Changes apply instantly when you are finished. Use the back arrow to return to your calendar. You can revisit these settings anytime to update your schedule. And if you decide you no longer want to use working hours, just uncheck Enable Working Hours to turn it off. That's all it takes to set working hours in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.